Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and once again I'm joined by Noxopharm CEO and Managing Director Dr. Graham Kelly. Graham, welcome back.
Thank you, Carolyn.
Now, can you start by telling us about your latest discovery and why you're so excited by it?
Okay, well it certainly, we believe it's very exciting and very important for the company, but it does take some explaining. It's about the discovery of a form of our major drug, idronoxil, that we now call idronoxil-C. That's the discovery, and that's why we're excited.
So Graham, how is idronoxil-C different to the idronoxil that's currently being used in your NOX product?
Well, when we deliver idronoxil to the body in the form of NOX66, what we were trying to achieve was to get the idronoxil into the body in exactly the same way that we saw in the test tube, so it would work that well. But what we've now discovered, in fact, is that it comes into the body in a slightly different form. And that different form, which is called idronoxil-C, we now realise is a very smart, smarter form of idronoxil. So we've actually got a benefit, an increased benefit from the drug. And that's exciting because this is a new drug. This is idronoxil-C, is idronoxil in a slightly different form. That's a new drug.
So what would the purpose of idronoxil-C be? Well,
it's a smart form of idronoxil. So when we give a patient NOX66, we're giving them regular idronoxil, but by the time it gets into the blood of a patient, it's converted into this new form. And that's a form that nobody has seen before, so that's the exciting part of this NOX66 delivery. So we're converting it into this very smart form of idronoxil that we believe is now going to allow us to see in humans what we see in the test tube.
And Graham, you filed a PCT patent for idronoxil-C. Can you tell us what this is and what it means for Noxopharm's IP portfolio?
Yes, well, a PCT stands for Patent Cooperation Treaty. And that's a treaty that 145 countries subscribe to. And when you file a PCT, you are filing in 145 countries. So it's a way of getting global access to many countries.
And finally, Graham, so how does this discovery of idronoxil-C potentially benefit shareholders?
There's two ways of answering that question. The first way is that most people believe that the asset of a drug development company is the end drug. That's all they see. In fact, the assets of a drug development company are its intellectual property. That's what we're trading on, the fact that we own a drug and that's what we're going to exploit. But in this particular case, the other answer is that shareholders will see over the coming years a range of drugs come out. Some of these will be how we use NOX66, others will be how we use this synthetic form of this idronoxil-C.
Very good. Dr. Graham Kelly, thanks for the update.
Thank you.